I'm learning forex trading from zero with no knowledge. My name is Pastor Kanji from Nigeria. I'm a student of Ativat University, biomedical engineering student. Why I want to go for trading is because recently I've been struggling with a lot of things, and I believe trading is currently what everybody is doing. Apart from the fact that everybody is doing, I believe trading is a way that I can actually have financial victory. I'm not planning to depend mainly on trading, but I believe trading is something I can use as an option B to earn to up to upgrade your option E. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I'm learning trading. I have a lot of struggles. Currently I don't even want money. I'm short on money. There are some things I want to do that I cannot do because of the lack of funds. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I decided to learn forex trading. And I'm also a financier. And with what Nigeria is saying, my initial plan is never to work on anybody. I don't want to work on anybody. And I don't want to be I don't want to continue to live like this. I don't want to be a middle, I don't want to live a middle kind of lifestyle, but I want people to be able to get I wish I can be like it. And there's always this phase, always those days, I don't know actually coming from a rich family, but my kids do not think that. What you guys will see in this channel is that you see friendly trading content, you see my wins and my losses, you see my trading and mindset journal, you see my and on this trading I'm going to do no fake lifestyle. This is pure me, and I'm not going to do anything, and I'm not going to say signals or anything. And what you guys will learn from me is that you're able to learn how I'm trading. You see, okay, what works for me and what doesn't work. I'll be graduating different scalping methods. I'm going to be a scalper, you get what I'm saying? So I'm going to you don't see how what method works and which method does not work. You're going to see how I use my trading view. You're going to see my risk management and my mistakes as a beginner and my losses on my way. So if you're also a forex trader beginner and you're looking for someone that can go with you, you can click the subscribe. You can click the subscribe button and join my channel and join my Telegram channel as well. Thank you.